Alright guys, so the wind out here is about 25-30 miles an hour. It's my new Mavic 2 Pro, or Pro 2, or whatever the hell you want to call it. My first flight, and I'm just got done with the update. Took me about a half an hour to update it, but I think it's pretty cool because I was reading in the manual that there's a light that land when you take off and land, but there's also another trick I want to show you just real quick. So this will be a quick video. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and take her off. And I'm not gonna go very high or very far. Check this out. Look at the light. Look at that light. How cool is that? So I move it away. I get so far away and the light turns off. So it's sitting up there. It's handling the wind pretty good, mind you. Now mind you, it's about 25 to 30 mile an hour winds here. So now check this out. I want to show you something on my screen. Hopefully, so check this out. If you push the screen right and hold, check this out. You see that little blue thing? Now look at my camera. It's actually, the drone's not moving, just the gimbal's moving. So look at that, see? Look how cool that is. You can see my prop. Now I'm going to zoom back down, go to the other prop, go up. Look at that. How cool is that? You can actually move your camera with your finger with the long press. Now mind you, this is not the ideal conditions. I don't recommend doing this, but what the hell? It's my first flight, right? So check this out. I'm going to land it. I like to hand catch it. I'm one of those guys, and if you don't like that, I'm sorry. But it's really cool. This light is, if you're flying in low light, this is great. Go. Right about where we took off from. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to fly it anymore tonight. Again, it's like 25-30 mile an hour winds. I'm going to wait till the winds die down, but I thought that light was cool as hell. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.